digital marketing. So, if you want to be successful in these digital streets, in social media, you have to market. It doesn't matter if it's a service, if it's a product, if it's a digital download. It just doesn't matter if it's AI, if it's ebook, if it's jewelry, if it's counseling, coaching, therapy, whatever. If you are out here in these digital streets and you're trying to attract people to your brand, you have to market it. You have to market it. We cannot get away from digital marketing in these digital streets. So I'm Coach TamaraDarice. Nice to meet you. So I was introduced to digital marketing because I started a coaching business in 2024. And when I took my coaching certification, I didn't take the business side of the coaching certification because it was a lot of money. It was almost 10K. And I thought, it can't be that hard to figure out the digital part, I'm sorry, the business side of coaching. Well, it really is not difficult to figure out, and it really shouldn't cost $10,000. In my opinion, in my humble opinion, it should not cost $10,000 to learn the business side of how to run a coaching business. Now, can you get it all on YouTube University? Absolutely. Is it going to take you a lot of time to figure that out? Absolutely. And so I started taking master class after master class. And with some master classes, it's a low entry fee. You get in there and you think you're going to get all your answers to what it is that you're trying to accomplish. And true enough, I would get some of the answers, and then there would come. In order for you to learn what you really thought you were going to learn, it's going to cost $5,000. It's going to cost $3,000. It's going to cost $10,000. Oh, and on top of that, this is a $20,000 value, and I'm going to sell it to you for $5,000. And I was like, you know what? I had lost my job and hence me becoming a life coach. And even if I had had the money, I just don't think that I would have invested. I would invest in me, of course, but not in a service that's going to cost me $10,000 to learn the business side of my for coaching, which is really I needed to learn how to market my business. That's what I needed to learn how to do. So I kept hearing this lady who is now my mentor talking about this digital marketing course. I mean, she was running it in, and I was looking for somebody that could trust, looking for someone that I didn't feel bad after I listened to the video, or I didn't feel like they were trying to scam me or get me. And I just kept listening and listening and listening, and I was really wasting a lot of time. But I kept listening and listening and listening. It's like, "God, that sounds like what I need." Hear, all the buzzwords like you need a funnel, you need an email system, you need to optimize your SEO, you need to have Google ads, you need to do this, you need to do that. And I thought, oh, that sounds like exactly what I need. And it was $500. So after me asking her a whole bunch of questions via email on the side, I know she was like, okay, this lady. But I finally pulled the trigger, and I'm telling you, it was one of the best decisions that I have ever made. And because I wasn't working, I didn't want to spend any liquid money. So I did PayPal, no interest is what I did, which is available through my system too. But I did PayPal, no interest payments. And so I pulled the trigger and I got the course, and I'm telling you, the course, 24 modules that I own in my library where I could literally learn social media, learn digital marketing, learn all the things that I was hearing about that were out there. And on top of that, it taught me how to do a funnel, how to get my email set up and how to set up my SEO and just get all my systems in place. So, what I'm talking to you about today is a digital marketing product, which is a digital marketing course that I sell. When I purchased from her, I call my business Transform 180 with digital product marketing because this course will transform your life. It will transform your business. It will transform your mindset. It will transform whatever digital products you're selling. It's a transformative course. So that's what I call it. And so when I partnered with my mentor, who has been in the digital space for over 17 years, the program is called DPU, and it has a community with it, and the community is amazing. I'm excited because we're meeting in 15 minutes, so we meet once a week, and the information that we're getting, it is cutting edge. It is right now information like we're not behind in AI, which you should be seeking out AI on your own. But when I go to my meetings with our office hours for the digital marketing course that I purchased, I'm still getting information about AI. Getting information about marketing. I'm getting information that helps me to build a viable, attractive business. This business model, it is turnkey. When I say it's turnkey, it is a plug and play business model where things are already set up for you. You're plugging it into your system. It's, uploaded into your system, and you do have to set up your funnel, which is it's like a shell. It's already made for you. You do have to create your emails, which we give you templates of ideas of things to say, but you should recreate so that it's in your voice for your people. And then you have to set up your payment system. It's just that simple. And then your job description is to make content, transparent content like what I'm doing right now. We're just having a conversation. There's no, you just got to be real out here in these digital streets. So I want to tell you what you'll learn, and I just have it up on the screen over here, but you're going to learn how to start and set up a digital business of your own. So you will be the owner of your business. And the beautiful thing about it is with AI, you can become a freelancer. You can start a business in anything that you want to start it in that translates into digital. Yes. How to create a money making brand because you are your brand and you are worth money. You can make a money making brand. How to make money on social platforms. Come on, we know we have a lot of platforms. There's so much opportunity. Don't let it pass you by. There's so much opportunity on all these platforms, and most of them are free. How to get how to get set up to sell digital products, how to set up automation and money making systems, how to create content that makes sense. It needs to make sense. How to make money with affiliate marketing, how to build your own profitable email list, and so much more. Come on, with DPU and the community, that's a whole different section from the 24 modules that are teaching you about social media. There's a whole entire different section set up that is all about DPU and the community and really helping you to build a sustainable, viable, attractive, money making business. It's easy. I needed something easy because I was already running my coaching business. So I needed something easy. And this has been that. On top of all of what I mentioned here, which is just a fraction of what you will get a one-on-one rapid fire business strategy coaching session with me. When you purchase with me, we're going to sit down and we're going to dig in so that you can hit the ground running. Going to figure out your niche, figure out your target audience, figure out some of your messaging. I am here to help you With this business model, we want to do business with you. A great thing about the community is it's not oversaturated. You will be heard, you will be seen, your questions will be answered. It's almost like it's a master level. It's like you're getting mentorship on a master level. So it's a live mentorship and support. We meet once a week. Ready made business is it's ready made, y'all. It's ready made. Ongoing training, updates, and resources, digital marketing training library. Plus, you'll get access to me, Coach TamaraDarice. So it costs $500. You can sell it for $500 or more. It's totally up to you how you want to sell your business. This is not affiliate marketing. I don't make anything off of the money that you make. The first time you sell the course, if you decide to sell the course, you'll make up your investment. But any money you make selling this course is your money, 100% profit. I don't get anything from what you sell. So if this sounds like what you've been looking for, head over to my site. The link is down here. It's Transform 180. Go to my site. It's actually my digital store. You can either pull the trigger and go ahead on and purchase. You can read around and find out more information. Or if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email, send me a DM, send me a message here if you're looking at this on YouTube. I am accessible and I am here to do business with you. Don't get they keep saying don't get left behind with AI, but you need to know marketing. You do need to know marketing. So let me help you find your place in this digital space. I'm Coach TamaraDarice. Blessings.